The right way to wash a peeling tattoo.
Hello everyone! In today's video, we'll be discussing a crucial part of tattoo aftercare: how to properly wash a tattoo during the peeling process. Remember, proper tattoo care is essential for preserving the longevity and vibrancy of your body art.
Why is cleaning a peeling tattoo important?
During the healing process, your tattoo will start to peel. This is a normal part of the healing process as your body is working to regenerate skin. This peeling phase can last from a few days to a couple of weeks, depending on the size and location of the tattoo. But during this time, proper cleansing is crucial to prevent infection and promote proper healing.
What you will need.
Before we start, ensure that you have the following items at your disposal. 1. Clean, lukewarm water. 2. Mild, fragrance-free soap. 3. Clean, soft towel. These items are necessary to safely clean your peeling tattoo without causing irritation or delaying the healing process.
The cleaning process.
Now, let's move on to the step-by-step cleaning process. 1. Wash your hands thoroughly before touching your tattoo to avoid any possible infections. 2. Wet your tattoo with lukewarm water. It's essential that the water isn't too hot, as this can irritate your healing skin. 3. Apply a small amount of your chosen mild, fragrance-free soap to your hand. 4. Gently cleanse the tattoo by applying the soap using a light circular motion with your fingertips. 5. Rinse off the soap completely, making sure not to leave any residue. Again, use lukewarm water to do this. 6. Pat your tattoo dry with a clean, soft towel. Do not rub, as this can irritate your healing skin. 7. Once the tattoo is dry, apply a thin layer of tattoo aftercare lotion. Remember, do not use products that contain petroleum or alcohol, as they can slow down the healing process. Please note, never pick or scratch at your peeling tattoo. This can lead to an infection or even permanent damage to the tattoo. That's it, folks. It's not complicated, but washing your tattoo correctly during the peeling process is absolutely crucial for your tattoo's longevity. We hope this video has been informative and helpful. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks on tattoo care. Keep those tattoos clean and vibrant.